Hi everyone. If you want to slice a shape or cut an outline in Affinity, you're going to use the knife tool. I'll draw a shape, a rounded square, move it to the center, and I pick the knife tool, which is under the pencil tool. You can also press K on your keyboard for the shortcut. I slice the shape in the corner and split it up. Here's another slice. Split it up again. And if I want to cut an outline, I'll just put the knife on it. Notice the icon is changed into scissors. Simply click on it to cut the outline. Then press A to switch to Node tool. Now you can drag the node and modify the outline. That's how you can use a knife tool to slice a shape and cut an outline. Thanks for watching.